To change the battery in your Texecom Premier alarm, you first need to remove the cover of your main alarm panel by unscrewing the 2 screws either side of the panel. The alarm will then sound. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit user code. With the panel now open, locate the battery and remove the 2 terminals, red and black, making sure these don't touch, and removing and replacing the battery. Please note, there is live 240 volt power in the transformer, so please be careful and make sure you don't touch this. Also, please make sure you don't knock any of the other wires in the panel, as these may cause your alarm to stop working. Replace the panel lid and reset your alarm by entering your 4-digit code twice and press reset. The SmartSecurity team provide both telephone and on-site engineer support. Simply contact our team explaining your needs and we'll get your system fixed.